Reconciling your books is one of those tasks that feel easy to push to next week. It's not urgent, nothing explodes if you skip it this month, so it waits. But here's what most business owners do not realize. Every month you skip reconciliation, the problem compounds, and by the time it matters a lot. Let me show you what actually happens when reconciliation does not get done. Bank reconciliation is the process of matching your transactions in your bookkeeping software to the transactions that appear on your actual bank statement. The goal is to make sure these two things agree. That every dollar that went in or out of your account is accounted for accurately in your records. When they match, your books are reconciled. When they do not, something needs to be found and fixed. When you stop reconciling, a few things happen. First, errors accumulate silently. A duplicated transaction here, a missed payment there, a blank fee that never got recorded. Everyone is small. Together, they create a growing gap between what your books say and what is actually true. Second, your financial reports become unreliable. If your books are not reconciled, your profit and loss statement and your balance sheets are based on incorrect data. You could think you have more profit than you do, or less. Third, tax preparation becomes a nightmare. When your bookkeeper or accountant goes to prepare your taxes and the books do not reconcile, someone has to go back and find every discrepancy. That work is expensive and time-consuming. Fourth, if you are ever audited, unreconciled books are a significant problem. The IRS expects your records to match your bank statements. If they do not, you need to explain why. The real cost of not reconciling is not just the accounting cleanup bill, though that can be significant. It is a decision you make based on numbers that are wrong. If your books show more cash than you actually have, you might spend money you do not have. If they show less, you might hold back on investments that would have helped you grow. You deserve the honest truth about your numbers even when it's uncomfortable, and that truth starts with books you can actually trust. Reconcile every month. If you use accounting software like QuickBooks, much of the process is automated. It flags discrepancies and walks you through resolving them. If you're behind, start now. Go back and reconcile month by month. Yes, it takes time, but every month you leave unreconciled is another month of uncertainty in your financials. And going forward, make it a habit. Schedule it and put it on the calendar. Do it the same week every month. If staying on top of reconciliation is not happening in your business, that is one of the first things we fix at Benchmark Ledger Solutions. Clean, reconciled books every single month. That is the foundation everything else is built on. Visit benchmarkledgersolutions.com to get started, because we care about your profit first, always.